All right, so here we are. We have the 2026. This is the Model Y, and this is the premium. We are going to swap out these wheel covers. These are your standard wheel covers that come with the premium model. We're going to swap them out for something a little bit more sporty. All right, so they come in that box, and here they are. These look fantastic. I think they're going to look really good with that silver accent, with the silver color of the vehicle. Just wanted to get them out of the box and show you guys what comes with it. You get 4 of these. They come individually wrapped to keep them from scratching. You also get some it's like a foam tape that you're going to put around the edge of this cover. You put it right around the edge. Comes with plenty to go all the way around all 4 of them. You're going to do that just to eliminate any vibration going down the road or anything like that. It does come with some blank center caps here to put over this, but they have other center caps that you can get. You can get some with the nice Tesla logo in the middle. You can get the logo with color in it if you want white or red. They have several different colors. They also have several different colors of these. They have an all black model. They even have a gold accent model. So instead of this being silver, it's going to be gold. So go check out their website. I'll put a link down in the description below. And I'll throw a coupon code on the screen where you can save 20% if you're interested in buying this kit. All right, so I'm just showing you the process for putting this this foam around the edge. It's pretty easy. It's just on kind of a spool, and you just kind of work your way around. You're just putting it just along the edge. It doesn't really take that long. There is a little bit of a lip around, so you can see the lip of the edge of the wheel cover. So you're just kind of putting it right up against that lip, and you just work it around. You can probably just rip that off. There we go. So that one is complete. You can see I've got this little foam edge all the way around. All right. And then this one is ready to go on the car. So let's go do that. All right, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the existing wheel cover. I'm trying to get my shadows out of the way, but it's not going to happen. So they give you this little tool here. You kind of put it in there. This is kind of a smaller area. You got a little larger area there, and you just kind of pull. And you can do that all the way around. All right. And then you kind of work this under here, and it kind of just pulls off. There you go. All right, so here we go. We've got this one. Line up your valve stem, and then just press in the middle. And then just kind of go all the way around just to make sure that it is good and in place. And there it is. It looks great. Another thing I noticed with the old ones that come with it, they don't cover the edge of your rim. So if you are one that has some like curb damage, curb rash on your rim, these are going to cover that up. And also, if you're one that doesn't have them curb rash yet, this is going to protect your rim from getting curb rash, because now if you hit the curb, it's going to scratch this wheel cover and not your rim. So these are going to be a lot cheaper to replace if you damage the wheel cover. versus damaging your rim that to your tire. So this is going to provide a little extra protection that your original one does not have, does not provide. So there it is. Got the first side done. Going to work my way over to the other side. Really easy. Looks really good. All right. So here we are on the other side. I'm going to just take this rim wheel cover off. As you can see, it comes off very easy. Use this little tool. There we go. All right. So, line up the valve stems. Kind of just make sure that you got it in all the way around the wheel. As you can see, it covers up the edge of your rim, so if you do have some curb rash or something, it's gonna make it look like new. So let's get on to the last one. All right, here we are, last one. Just easy peasy again. Just line up your valve stem. You can kind of press it into place. And then just push all the way around. All right, the only thing left is to put these center caps on. Again, they have just the solid black ones with the T, solid black without the T, or you can get them colored. I believe they have red, white, some other colors. But you just pull the sticky off the back. It comes like this. Just pull that off, and then it's going to fit right in here. Now, your preference is how you want to put them on. I don't think it really matters how you want to line the T up to, but just put it on however makes you feel best, and there you go. I tried to put them all on there the same, with the valve stem down here and then the T lined up there. I just used this one over here as a guide. I started it, and then I was like, well, I might as well do them all the same. See, here you go. As you can see, the valve stem down there, and then the Tesla logo there. So the color looks good. The little silver accents look really good with the car. Very good. Looks very good. I like it. Let's see what it looks like rolling down the road. All right, there you go. Looks really good. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. If you have any questions on the 2026 Model Y Juniper or the Cybertruck, let us know in the comments below, and we will do some videos or try to answer your questions and help you out. Thanks for watching. See ya.